What's up guys, Lou here, back with another video, and today I have something that I am really pumped up for. I don't normally say pumped up, that's kind of new. Me and Jack have been talking about this thing since it arrived. We have a serious problem here at the office with keeping cold beverages, or actually any kind of edible material, for very long. We consume it. This thing here is like a solution to all of our problems. All the problems in our lives. Keurig asked me to check out their brand new Cold. Keurig Cold. A variety of your favorite beverages made in this machine right at home in a little pod. And it's licensed, like you have Coca-Cola products in here. Concept is, you have a little pod. You can see a picture of it there. Stick it in the machine, hit the button. Booyah! Cold beverage? Let's jump inside the box and find out if that's exactly what goes down. First thing I see here, a Prime and Care pod. Do not discard. Required for setup and maintenance, okay. Coca-Cola, Sprite, Red Barn, Waterfall. Looks like a little tray for the bottom. So this is it. This is the Keurig Cold. Now, it has a refrigeration unit built in. So this is the reservoir for water. Oh, this is glasses. Drink maker chills beverages to an ideal temperature of 39 degrees Fahrenheit. This whole thing feels pretty robust, man. Plug her in and let her go.
Let's plug her in.
All right, we're gonna plug her in. Plug it in.
Her.
So I think you guys can probably hear that. As I said, sort of around the same volume as a mini fridge. So we left it for a little while, and we're actually not gonna have to do that again. That's just the initial setup. And now it's time to prime it. Now there's a little thing here called a Prime and Care pod. Fill the water reservoir with room temperature or cooler water. That's what we have in here right now. It's filled up. Insert the Prime and Care pod. Put it right in here, I guess. Done. Place a glass on the drip tray. So we have the included glasses here. All right, let's go here. This is exciting. Okay, next up, make a drink. This is what it's about right now. Okay, Seraphim Passion Fruit. Natural flavored seltzer mix lifts you to a place of breezy effervescence. What a combination of words there. No calorie, low calorie, 0 calories. 0 calorie flavored water, the classic. Coca-Cola at home. Seems impossible. It's happening here. What? Look at this thing. Ooh, this looks fancy too. Flynn's Soda Shop Root Beer. What? You Diet Coke too? Of course you do. This is another flavored carbonated water. This one is Persian Lime. Flight Red Rush Natural Fruit Punch Flavor Sports Hydration Mix. It's time to do a taste test. Oh my goodness, the pressure's on. The pressure is on right now. So I'm gonna get started with one of these Seraphim Persian Lime pods. Just place this guy in. Close the lid down. Now let's push this button for the magic part. You see that carbonation right now. Look at that. Ooh. Quite refreshing. Gotta be honest, quite refreshing. A little bit nicer than a standard water beverage. So I believe these little beads inside are what allow for the carbonation to be added to the flavor. Next up, I have 0 calorie flavored water. So this is a non-carbonated. Similar idea, but non-carbonated. You came here for the OG of the soda business. You came here for the Coca-Cola Classic. Everything hinges on this little guy right here. The future is now. Don't laugh, Jack. Oh. That looks like Coca-Cola. That is Coca-Cola. Got a bite? Got a little bite to it? I don't think I've ever been this excited for Coke in my life. So there you have it. Keurig Cold. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to leave a thumbs up down below. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will catch you on the next episode. Now I will drink my Coke. Slowly and dramatically.